Have you ever wondered what happened before the Big Bang? Or why time moves forward and not backward? Well, today we're diving into one of the coolest ideas from Stephen Hawking's famous book, A Brief History of Time. Imaginary time and the no-boundary proposal. Let's start with something a bit strange but really interesting. What if time wasn't just a straight line from the past to the future? Hawking suggested there's another kind of time, called imaginary time. And no, it's not pretend time. It's a real concept in physics. In math, we have real numbers, like 1, 2, or 3. But we also have imaginary numbers, like the square root of -1, written as I. Hawking used this idea and said, what if time could be measured using imaginary numbers too? This gives us imaginary time, which moves at right angles to normal time. Now here's the fun part. In imaginary time, the universe might not have a beginning or end. Just like the Earth doesn't have an edge, but is round. So instead of time starting with a Big Bang point, it might be like a smooth surface. No sharp beginning, no edge. This idea leads to Hawking's famous no-boundary proposal. He and physicist James Hartle said, what if the universe has no boundaries? No edge in time or space? It's like asking, what's north of the North Pole? There's no more north, just the top. In the same way, there might be no before the Big Bang. The universe didn't start from a sharp point. It gently curved into existence, like a globe forming from a flat sheet. So, with imaginary time and no boundaries, the universe could be finite, but without any edges. Just like the surface of a ball. You can walk forever, but you'll never fall off. This idea helps solve big questions like, cyclone, where did the universe come from? Hourglass, not done, why does time move forward? Milky Way, and what happened before the Big Bang? Stephen Hawking's ideas are deep, wild, and sometimes mind-bending. But they help us imagine a universe that's not just full of stars and planets, but also full of wonder. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're living in a universe that might have no edges. And time might not be as straight as it seems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, hit like, tap subscribe, and share it with your curious friends. Until next time, keep wondering.